Good day, it's Yang from SSW China. Our new office is ready. Come with me, I will tour you around.
Welcome, Yang.
We are in the heart of the office, the waiting room. It connects the different parts of the office, from the reception to the engine room, the boardroom, the big chat, the kitchen, etc. We've got a big island in the middle. Here we share insights and foods, chat and play games. It's a joyful place. Okay, come and see the engine room. This is the engine room. We've got a big mirror over here. Our developers are working really hard. This is the boardroom. We've got 3 sliding panels separated from the waiting room. Look at this magnificent table. It's made by concrete. It weighs almost 300 kilo. We rent a crane to move this giant monster into the office through the window. When in a meeting, if you want to charge your phone or laptop, you just tap. Okay, now you can go back to sleep. Thank you. As an IT consulting company, we'll have endless phone calls, meetings with our colleagues and clients all over the world. In this case, the big chat will be a good place to do the communication. We have professional camera and microphone to help you with it. Now let's go and check the kitchen. Kitchen is a popular space. Everybody loves the bar. We can have lunch here. Sometimes we even cook here. We have a microwave oven. We got tea, we got coffees. Just enjoy yourself. Okay, let's keep moving. Let's go and see my office, the vault. So far, the admin, accountant, and the social media team are sharing this room. Hello, Anki.
Hi!
Through the hallway, it's the stage area. We do presentations and speeches here, and we've also got a big screen behind. This red box, we call it WeChat. It's a little place that you could walk without interruption because it's a soundproof cube. That means when I come in and close the door, can you? Alright. Then we have the promised land. It's the office of China's CEO. Let's take a peek. So far, the chapel is empty. But SSW is always looking forward to working with excellent developers. So, if you're interested, come and talk to us. We're hiring. Alright, that's all about the Hangzhou office. We very much want to see you here in the future. See ya!